My name is Ben. I'm from LA. I've been working on the Microcosmic Orbit for a couple of years, and I found the website. Sometimes you just know where you're supposed to be. As soon as I found it, I was lucky enough to book it. And yeah, here I am. Somehow I feel like knowing that I'm doing it right, it's one thing reading it from the book, but doing the Microcosmic Orbit, having the hands-on, being inside of his energy, and then really feeling the Microcosmic Orbit as it goes through. And then when he transmitted the violet light to add to the power of that, yeah, I know for sure that it's going now. At the end of the first week, he gave us like 6 or 7 things that you should do every day, including the inner smile, the spinal plexus, the hand portals, and the dragon tail, the microcosmic orbit. And I've been doing it every day since then. And people have been telling me that I'm glowing. I'm extremely happy. I'm just extremely happy. Things are going really well. I'm really glad I did it here. I'm really glad I'm keeping at it. I think the 6 healing sounds at night before bed, I pass right out. In the morning, I do the inner smile. Just every day is a little bit better, I'm not usually a hard salesman, but if you're already curious enough to be connected to this type of energy, to be looking at that sort of thing, if the timing aligns for you, if it feels easy in the flow, do it. You won't regret it. The people are amazing. The practice is incredible. The grounds are beautiful. The food's great. You can't go wrong. Thank you for all the work. Thank you for sharing this. Thanks for creating this. What a reflection. So much gratitude.